If you want to stay young and healthy as long as possible, then this video is definitely for you, because I'll show you 5 best anti-aging exercises. The 5th exercise is a game changer, so watch the video till the end. Let's go! 1. Squats. Squats work several large muscle groups. When performing squats, the buttocks, front and inner thighs actively work. The muscles of the back and abdomen perform a stabilizing function and keep the spine in even position. During squats, most of the muscles in the lower body are worked, which helps develop their strength and endurance. Strong muscles allow you to move comfortably and easily perform everyday tasks, such as climbing stairs or getting out of a chair. Squats strengthen your joints. With proper technique and optimal dosing of the load, squats contribute to the healthy functioning of the knee, hip, and ankle joints. Squats improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Squats improve blood circulation. Like any other exercise, squats move muscles and improve blood and lymph circulation. During exercise, cells are actively saturated with oxygen and nutrients, which has a positive effect on their functioning and the overall well-being of a person. How to do squats correctly. Feet shoulder width apart. Place your arms either straight in front of you or hold them behind your head. As you inhale, slowly lower yourself down. Be sure to pause at the bottom point. The back should be straight and breathing should be deep. As you exhale, stand back up. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. 2. Plank. The plank is one of the best exercises for strengthening your core muscles. Regular exercise helps improve posture and relieve back pain caused by weak muscles and muscle imbalances. In addition, planking helps improve overall body tone and overcome balance problems that can cause injuries at home. It also helps stretch muscles and tendons, which affects the development of flexibility. Planking is also believed to be beneficial for mental health, as it can act as a meditative exercise. A static element, during which it is important to monitor your breathing, can help you calm down and put your thoughts in order. How to do the plank correctly. Lie on the floor, hands shoulder width apart, and your feet hip width apart. Bend your elbows and place your forearms on the floor at right angles to your shoulder bones. Make sure that your body is straight. Don't bend or lift your pelvis. Keep your body straight with your abdominal tension. Perform 3 sets of 30 seconds. 3. Lunges. Along with squats, lunges are considered a traditional exercise for firm buttocks. However, in addition to the gluteal muscles, the muscles of the thighs, shins, back, and abs are also involved. Lunges relieve stress from the back muscles, which relieves lumbar pain, which often occurs in those who work while sitting. Lunges improve coordination and posture by consistently working the right and left sides of the body. They need to maintain balance and the stable position of the spine. Lunges increase the flexibility of the body by loading the flexor muscles and help you lose extra pounds. Performing lunges requires a lot of energy, so fat deposits will disappear and muscle mass will build. How to perform lunges correctly. Place your feet shoulder width apart or slightly narrower. Straighten your back and straighten your shoulders. Take a wide step forward. The working leg forms a right angle at the bend, and the supporting leg is fixed on the toe and also bent at a right angle. Don't touch the floor with your knee. The optimal distance is 2 to 3 centimeters. Keep your spine in a neutral position and your abdominal muscles tense. Return to the starting position and then repeat on the other side. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. 4. Push-ups. Push-ups work with the pecs, deltoids, triceps, and abdominal muscles. Exercise helps strengthen them and increase muscle mass. Regular push-ups prevent the development of sarcopenia, and strong muscles support bones and joints and reduce the risk of fractures. In addition, push-ups improve functional status. Exercise has a beneficial effect on the respiratory and cardiovascular systems of the body. Push-ups increase joint mobility. Regular exercise improves the mobility of the shoulder and elbow joints and also promotes their healthy functioning. Push-ups also help improve balance. By maintaining proper posture during push-ups, your muscles are constantly working to keep your body in the correct position. How to do push-ups correctly. Starting position. Lying down. Body in a straight line. Feet together, arms shoulder width apart, palms located under the shoulder joints, gaze directed forward. As you inhale, bend your arms and lower yourself. Make sure your body is in an even position, tensing your abdominal muscles. As you exhale, straighten your arms and return to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. 5. Glute bridges. The glute bridge is an isolated exercise aimed at working the gluteal muscles and strengthening the core and thigh muscles through a static load. The main muscle worked here is the gluteus maximus. The thigh muscles, core muscles, and even the calf muscles also work. In addition to improving the appearance and rounding of the buttocks, the glute bridge is also used for medical purposes, mainly in rehabilitation. The benefits of the glute bridge are to strengthen and stabilize the muscles of the pelvis and lower back. According to research, stabilizing the gluteal and back muscles reduces chronic pain and is used as a preventive measure for various diseases. How to do a glute bridge correctly. Starting position. Lie on your back, bend your knees at a right angle, feet firmly resting on the floor, hands lie along the body, palms down. Tighten your gluteal muscles and as you exhale, lift your pelvis up. You should get a straight line. Hold for a second to feel the muscles working. As you inhale, gently lower your pelvis. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen. See you soon.